Hey everybody, just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an update at the progress we're at. We're not a whole lot further that's thereafter. Excuse me. But I got everything cleaned out of here. Got some scaffolding. Today, I am going to be working on this rafter. And then also, I'm going to put a 2x12 on the bottom section here. And I've also got to cut a little shim piece from where the wall used to be. So there used to be a divider wall because this side wasn't insulated. So I got to cut a divider or a little piece of plywood to go in there. And then I'm gonna put a 2x8 to encapsulate all that and sandwich it all together. And everything I do, I know you don't need to, but it makes it so much stronger if you glue everything together. Yes, you can't glue wood glue to plastic. It doesn't do any good. So that little piece of sheeting I won't glue in place, but everything else I'll glue in place. Got the door, that's new. And the other thing was I went through all the boxes of junk that were from our house fire and the garage, that roof that collapsed. So that was good also. As you can see, everything is over there. I am so excited to get all this done.